Let's start again with action words just to revise. Last time, what did we learn? What are the action words? Action words are those words which describe the actions done by the naming words, है ना? जो भी action आप करते हैं, जो laugh, cry, walk, jump, sit, sleep, ये सब क्या है? Action words है. Okay? Describes all the actions done by the naming words. Okay, do you remember now? Okay, now today we are going to do exercises related to action words. Chalo, let's start. So these are the fill in the blanks. I'll read this for you. Rohan dash in the garden. I've given options also. Plays or studies. क्या आएगा? Rohan dash in the garden. Garden में what do you do? Do you play or do you study? Yes, we play, no? So Rohan plays in the garden. Plays, plays in the garden. Okay. Next. Anju dash over the phone. Now phone है ना? So Anju will sleep over the phone or Anju talks over the phone. Yes, talks. So Talks, talks. Anju talks over the phone. Okay. Next. My father dash the newspaper. So my father eats the newspaper or my father reads the newspaper. Yes, you're right. Reads is the right option. So Reads, reads. My father reads the newspaper. Okay. Next one. Grandmother dash to the temple every day. Options are goes and comes. Grandmother goes to the temple every day or grandmother comes to the temple every day. It is goes to the temple every day. Okay. Goes, goes. Okay. Grandmother goes to the temple every day. So all these things, okay, I'll go to the earlier slide. Look here. Plays, talks, reads, all these are the action words. These are defining the actions done by the naming words. Naming words कौन से हैं यहाँ पे? Rohan, Anju, father. These are the naming words. What actions they are doing? Rohan is playing, Anju is talking, father is reading. So plays, talks, reads. All these are actions done by the naming words. Okay. So these are the action words. Similarly, the next option which we saw, next example, goes. Goes is the action done by the grandmother. Now here, I dash at 9 o'clock. I is the naming word. ठीक है, I means pronoun है ना? Instead of me, my name, I have used I. I dash at 9 o'clock. अभी what do I do at 9 o'clock? Hmm, sleep or play? Yes, I sleep at 9 o'clock. Sleep, sleep. I sleep at 9 o'clock. So, what action is done by me? Sleep. The action of sleeping is done by me. So, sleep is the action word. Okay. Next, the bird dash sweetly. Okay. Bird is the naming word. So, bird cries sweetly or sings sweetly. Yes, sings. Okay, sings is the action done by the bird. Sings, sings. The bird sings sweetly. Okay, so here goes, sleep, sings are the action words. The next one, the dog dash loudly. Here the naming word is dog, है ना? So dog barks loudly or laughs loudly. Yes. What is the action done by the dog? Barks. So barks is barks. The dog barks loudly. Next one. Meena dash an apple. Meena is the naming word. And what will she do with an apple? कौन सा action करेंगे? Eats or drinks? Do we drink an apple or do we eat an apple? Yes, we eat an apple. So Meena, eats, eats an apple. Okay, eats is the action word. Aveen dash with his friend. Aveen is the naming word. Helps with his friend or fights with his friend. It will be fights with his friend. Fights, fights with his friend. Okay, because with is there, we cannot use helps. Helps his friend आएगा. अगर with है तो fights with his friend आएगा. Okay, helps his friend होता है and fights with his friend. Since with is there, we are writing fights. Okay, so Aveen fights with his friend. So fights is the action which is done by Aveen. Next, the sun dash every morning. Now, what is the time? Morning. So this also you have to keep in mind. And what is the naming word? Sun. Okay. So the sun rises every morning or the sun sets every morning? Yes, it is rises. Rises, rises. Okay. The sun rises every morning. So all these sentences, 10 sentences you have to write in your English notebook. ठीक है, आपको ये 10 sentences आपके English notebook में copy करने हैं and आपकी book complete करनी है. You have to practice finding out action words from your day to day example. You have to keep in mind आप अगर कुछ करते हैं, so what is the word for a particular thing which you are doing. Suppose if your mama is पीलिंग एंड पटाटो, है ना, उसका छिलका निकालती है, उसको बोलते हैं पीलिंग. ओके, सो द पील, पील इज द एक्शन वर्ड. वी आर पीलिंग. Okay, so that way you have to find new action words from your day to day life. Okay, find out what to say when a particular action is done. Like somebody is jumping, you will say is jumping, or something new. ये सब तो रेगुलर है, ये सब आपको आते हैं, jumping, walking, running. So there may be a lot of new words for the actions being done in your day to day life, so that you have to find out. ओके, दैट इज वन एक्सरसाइज विच विल बी ऑन गोइंग. ये आप लर्न करते रहेंगे. इसके अलावा यू हैव टू राइट ऑल दिस इन योर इंग्लिश नोटबुक. एंड इन एडिशन टू दैट आई एम गिविंग यू दिस वर्ड क्लाउड. ओके, ये क्लाउड में से आपको एक्शन वर्ड्स फाइंड आउट करने हैं. लुक एट द क्वेश्चन हियर आई हैव पुट हियर. वेट अ मिनट. Find the action words from the word cloud and write them in your English notebook. Okay. अभी ये जो word cloud है, I'll show you the word cloud again. There are a lot many words. इसमें बहुत सारे words है. इसमें action words भी हैं और naming words भी हैं. Okay. And describing words भी है. ओके, सो देयर आर मेनी थिंग्स ओवर हियर. बहुत सारे वर्ड्स हैं, बट आपको एक्शन वर्ड्स कौन से हैं वो फाइंड आउट करना है और वो एक्शन वर्ड्स आपको आपके इंग्लिश नोटबुक में लिखना है. सो आज आपका काम क्या है? क्लास वर्क में जो भी 10 सेंटेंसेस मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी दिए हुए हैं, जिनके आंसर्स ऑलरेडी आई हैव रिटन, वो आपको कॉपी करने हैं. एंड ये होमवर्क है. ये वाला जो है ये होमवर्क है. इसके आंसर्स मैंने अभी आपको दिए नहीं है. ये आपके लिए एक्सरसाइज है. और जो असाइनमेंट मैं आपको भेजूंगी, आंसर्स तो मैंने जो ऑलरेडी दिए हैं वो तो आपको मुझे लिख के भेजने की जरूरत नहीं है. बट ये एक्सरसाइज है. आई वॉन्ट टू नो इफ यू आर एबल टू फाइंड द आंसर्स फ्रॉम दिस वर्ड क्लाउड. ठीक है, ये होमवर्क मुझे आपने फोटो निकाल के मुझे क्लासरूम ऐप में असाइनमेंट में अपलोड करना है। ओनली दिस वर्ड क्लाउड आई वांट। आई डोंट वांट व्हाट आई हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन। जिसके आंसर मैंने ऑलरेडी दिए हुए हैं वो मुझे नहीं चाहिए। मुझे सिर्फ यही वर्ड क्लाउड के आंसर्स चाहिए। अंडरस्टूड? आई डोंट वांट द होल क्लास वर्क बिकॉज आई हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन द आंसर्स। ठीक है, वो तो आप कंप्लीट करोगे ही। सो आई नीड नॉट चेक दैट। ओके, आंसर्स तो आई हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन, बट हियर आई वांट टू फाइंड आउट वेदर यू हैव अंडरस्टूड और नॉट। ठीक है, सो ये वाला आपका होमवर्क है और आप ये वर्ड क्लाउड मुझे आप क्लासरूम ऐप पे अपलोड करेंगे। अंडरस्टूड? ओके, चलो, बाय, कंप्लीट योर वर्क एंड सी यू अगेन। बाय।